Namaste and Shubh Diwali and welcome to Asha's Spice Box. After all that sweet eating and lots of happy merrymaking, we need to have some balance. We're going to make garlic chiwda now. It is a Maharashtrian snack eaten in most parts of the country in the state. So we're going to make it right now. Here are the ingredients. We have 3 cups of poha, the bigger sized version of the poha, for chiwda, you can say that. And then we need garlic, of course, 12 to 15 cloves, chopped a little fine, some mustard seeds, some hing or asafoetida, some curry leaves, some sugar, some salt, split Bengal gram or chana, raisins, cashew nuts, peanuts, oil and turmeric, and of course some chili. And to make this garlic poha chiwda for Diwali, we need to take a kadai or a pan and turn on the flame, put in your poha, roast it for about 3 to 4 minutes on medium to low flame. Let it become crisp, then take it off or keep it to the side, and then in the same kadai put some oil. Then you put the crunchy nuts and the raisins and the Bengal gram in there and separately roast everything. Keep that to the side. Then you put in your garlic and then crispen that up and put it to the side again. Next, you need to temper these ingredients into the kadai. So before that, take a tawa or a tadka pan and put in some oil, and we need to put some kadi patta, some mustard seeds, hing or asafoetida, some salt, sugar and chillies and haldi, and then toss it up and then put that on the side and put the chiwda back into the kadai, put the peanuts in there, put the tempering in there, mix it up, let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes, and voila, ladies and gentlemen, your diet Diwali chiwda to balance your sweet tooth is ready. Kindly like, share and subscribe to Asha's Spice Box. Bye-bye.